Somebody in our bee guild lost the shaft coupling for one of our extractors, and they're made in China, and it would be about 3 weeks to get one. So I did order one just to have a spare, but I decided maybe to try and make it. So this is my first project using Fusion 360 to design, draw the shaft coupling, and then have it do a tool path and output the post processor so I can put it on my milling machine. In the drawing you can see I've drawn the part, I've extruded the part or expanded it to make it 3D, and I've added the tool path. So at this point I just hit post process, generate my code, my G code from my machine, and take it over to my machine. So that's what you'll see next. Sorry for the video quality, I'm just recording this with my cell phone. Okay, this is the drive shaft coupling we just made. Goes like that.